सिचुएशनल एक्सरसाइजेस का अध्ययन करेंगे। देखिए किस प्रकार से। कैजुअल चिट चैटिंग बिटवीन टू फ्रेंड्स, यानी कि दो मित्रों के बीच में आपस में की जाने वाली एक कैजुअल चिट चैटिंग, यारी दोस्ती में की जाने वाली बातचीत, एक इनफॉर्मल टॉक। पंकज, हेलो, हाउ आर यू? दीपक, आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू, एंड व्हाट्स अबाउट यू? पंकज, आई एम ऑल्सो वेल। Deepak, I am going to a hill station. Would you like to go with me? Pankaj, no, I can't go because I am also going for a trip with my family. Deepak, okay, where are you going? Pankaj, we are going to Shimla. Deepak, oh, Shimla, it's a very nice place. Pankaj, yes, it is. Deepak, have you ever visited there before? Pankaj, no, I haven't. Pankaj, where are you going? Deepak, I am going to Jammu in the temple of Mata Vaishno. Pankaj, oh, it is also a nice place. I also want to go there, but I can't. Deepak, okay, don't feel bad. I'll take Anshul with me. He also wants to go. Pankaj, okay, man, have fun and pray for me also. Deepak, fine, I'll do it. You go to Shimla and enjoy yourself. Pankaj, okay, thanks, take care. Have a happy journey or happy journey. डिस्कशन बिटवीन टू फ्रेंड्स, यहां पर हम दो दोस्तों के बीच में की जाने वाली बातचीत को डिस्कस करेंगे कि राम और श्याम आपस में किस प्रकार से बातचीत करते हैं। राम, हाउ आर यू श्याम? श्याम, आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू। राम, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग नाउअडेज? श्याम, आई एम अटेंडिंग क्लासेस ऑफ इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। राम, व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस कोर्स? श्याम, दिस कोर्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट एनी जॉब एंड इन अदर फील्ड्स ऑल्सो। Ram, which institute are you learning this course from? Shyam, this institute is well famous institute in Twin City, Jagadhri, Yamunanagar. Ram, what's the name of this institute? Shyam, Lakshmi Infotech and Education Point, Jagadhri. Ram, what's the name of faculty at that institute? Shyam, Mr. Suresh Arora. Ram, for how many days you have been going to that institute? Shyam, I have been going there for last 3 months. Ram, you learned there something? Shyam, yes, of course, I have learned there a lot. I am fully satisfied to this institute and by my progress. Shyam, but what do you do? Ram, nowadays I am totally free. I am also planning to learn something new. Should I also join English speaking course? Shyam, why not? Great idea. Ram, what is the time of your class there? Shyam, it's 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Ram, shall I also get admission in the same batch with you? Shyam, no, not at all. As I have passed 3 months there and I am well fluent in English. Now I came learning their personality development and body language, which is the advanced course. I mean to say I have been learning English speaking course. I have completed my English speaking course there and nowadays I am learning their personality development and body language course, which is the advanced one. Ram, okay, I'll join any other time. Shyam, yes, of course. My brother is also planning in his mind to go for the same course. You should join with him. Ram, that's great. May I have your contact number, please? Shyam, yeah. This is 9896003050. पाठकों के लिए और सामान्य जिज्ञासु के लिए, इंग्लिश सीखने वाले विद्यार्थियों के लिए मैं एक चीज और बताना चाहूंगा। जिस प्रकार से हम इस नंबर में देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पर कि हम इसको ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं 9896003050। हम जीरो के स्थान पर अमेरिकन एक्सेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ओ का भी प्रयोग कर सकते हैं। कैसे? 9896003050। राम, थैंक्स, हैव अ नाइस डे। Shyam, thank you, same to you. Sales talk between customer and sales girl for purchase of ready-made garments. Sales girl, welcome to our showroom. May I help you? Customer, I would like to buy some 100% cotton shirts. Sales girl, oh sure, we have exclusive range of cotton shirts from Bombay dyeing, sir. Can you give some vague idea what is drawing in your mind? Customer, well, I want something in strips or checks with button down collars and would like to go for double XL size. Sales girl, yes sir, please come to our gents section where we have the exclusive range of cotton wear. Customer, show me something in dark color for my light trousers. Sales girl, yes sir, this is a fabulous range of shirts. Please feel yourself the elegance of it. Customer, may I know what is the price for this red checks shirt? Sales girl, sir, it will cost you only 750 rupees. Customer, what about the shrinkage and color fading problem? Sales girl, sir, because it is 100% cotton, little shrinkage will be there, but we give you guarantee of its color. This is one of the finest fabrics by Bombay Dyeing. Customer, well, I have come to your shop for the first time, so if you want me to be your regular patron, then you must offer me some discount. Sales girl, sir, as we are authorized dealer, I can't offer any more discount, but we have the scheme that in 1 year you have to buy 12 garments. On that we will give you 1 shirt free. Customer, okay, I like that red shirt, please pack it. Sales girl, sir, anything else? What about trousers, silk shirts, etc.? Customer, no thanks, I am in hurry, I'll come later. Sales girl, sir, I must appreciate your choice. You are very choosy. Customer, thanks for your compliment, so nice of you for your cooperation. Sales girl, sir, you are most welcome anytime. See you, bye bye.